Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can't tell already, I'm doing a day in the life of Michaela Summers. So next week, my total schedule is gonna change because I start a part-time job that I talked about in the last video. But this is currently my recent day in the life that I've been doing. I'm working here and there. I'm working on Backstory Co, but also my friend, she has a business and I'm doing some contract work for her, just like graphic designs and like post scheduling, stuff like that. So that's been really fun. So I have to work on that today as well as post a couple things for Backstory Co. But other than that, I'm just gonna show you the random other things that I do within my days. Oh my gosh, Rocky just came in. He just finished his meal. But also I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who watched my last video, who commented or liked the video or subscribed or even text messaged me. It was just so, I don't know, I was just amazed by all the support and the love and just feeling more connected to people that I'm so far away with. Just made my heart very warm. I love you guys and I'm so excited for this video and all the videos to come. So yes, love you, keep watching if you're cool.
And do it for me if you like me. If you don't like me, don't be a hater.
So I'm out here on my porch and we have no patio furniture, but it's just like so nice out. It's like sunny, it's probably like 70 degrees. And like inside our house is so freezing cold. So I literally brought like our dining room chair out here and I'm just absolutely loving it. I'm doing some work on my phone for my friend. But yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. Hopefully one day we'll get furniture, but for now, the dining room chair is doing me justice. Actually, what do I do? Let me know in the comments what you would have done by now. Just like swat it away. I feel like when I do that, it just gets angry with me. It comes back 10 times angrier. Go, my baby. Ah, no, he hates me. The bug hates me. It's okay, Bug. I love you. But please, go away from that handle. Okay, okay. I got in, but I couldn't get the chair. So, the dining room chair is still outside. But I'm inside. I'm safe, but the bee has taken over our porch. This is Operation Get the Chair from the Back Scary Bully Bee. Hi guys, so I'm in my kitchen and I decided that I'm gonna make turkey burgers tonight. So I'm doing turkey burgers, baked beans, and french fries. Not the healthiest, but it'll taste good. So also a little fun fact about me is baked beans are my favorite food choice ever. Like, if I could eat baked beans, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snack, dessert.
I love cone. Cone.
All right, well that was a day in the life with me. I made dinner, Greg came home. Actually, Greg's right here. Can you say hi, Greg?
Hi.
Was dinner good?
It was amazing.
What did we have?
Burgers, fries, Michaela's famous baked beans. But if you haven't had baked beans with syrup and bacon and what else you put in?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. It's the way to go.
It's the way to go, I'm telling you. Baked beans is my favorite meal ever. So we're going to take a walk to the bank, get cookie dough, and then come home, right? Isn't that the plan?
Go to the bank and come home?
No, we're gonna get cookie dough and then we're gonna come home. But thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and always remember, modest is hottest. You're so tall, I feel like I have to like reach up to the heavens.